everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our favorite muscle car, 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS hardtop, which is the best one you can get. Our lovely little Chevelle features a red exterior with the SS stripes going from the hood to the back. Of course, you can see it does have the cowl induction hood, which is one of the favorite things of this car. One of the major differences you may see is that they didn't put those classic torque thrust wheels on it. They didn't put the SS mag wheels on it, but instead they decided to give it more of a performance look with the Weld Racing performance wheels. Going into the interior now, you can see it is a 4-speed manual, which is the right way to own a muscle car. Some of the upgrades you may see is the newer dash. I want to say digital dash, but it's, you know, modernized. They did add vintage AC. They do have a tune-knob radio. However, the real radio is actually located in the glove box. So make sure you don't tell your passenger princess about that, or it might ruin your vibe a little bit. But under the hood, it does have that sweet 454. It has nice headers. In fact, now we can open it up a little bit. Very mean, very proud. Of course, it does have headers. It does have an updated pulley system, but it still has that stock look, stock sound, and that's truly what you want out of a muscle car. Yep. So if you'd like to see more, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at the inventory. But as for now, we're just going to get this turned around and up on the lift. So stay tuned to see the underneath.